baconed it.
Oh, dude.
Slow down. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at you. Come on. Oh, that's probably too loud in the camera. Go see Mama.
Come here.
Go get Mama. Yay!
Come here. Don't you take that.
All right, come on. Come see Mama.
Grandma?
Grandma. Yeah, something like that. I'm used to saying Mama now.
He's getting tired.
Oh, come on. One more time. One more. And that's our back crawl. Right. Up. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. Yeah. We'll get you after nap. Really? There's a nose. There's a... What are you doing? Say bye-bye. Hey. Say bye-bye. 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 Oh. Walk to the couch. Walk to the couch. Here. Come on. Walk to the couch. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, we'll fall down. I'm going to go down. Get up. Get up. Come on. There you go. Come on, big boy. Look at you. Oops. What happened? What happened? Come on. Look at you. Oh, no. Oh, almost ran into the butt. Oops. Ready? And you're off. We stepped on the puppy's tail. Oh, she bounced off the couch. Come on. Oh. What was that? What was that? And what was that? I'm not sure what you call that. Oops. Okay. Alright, come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on, there you go, there you go. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. We'll fall down your butt. Come on, up, up, up. Come on. Turn around. Turn, oh, go. Pull my pants down. Oops. What are you doing? Excuse me. Where'd you go? Hello? Hey! Don't pull my pants. They're gonna fall. Uh-huh. Still haven't figured that one out. Don't make my pants go down. Hello? Hi. Hi. Go get Mama. Oops. What happened? Go get Mama. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's not Mama. Okay, walk to the couch. Go to the couch. No. Go to the couch. All right, come here. Come on. Come on. There you go. Look at you. Look at you. Uh-oh. There's Daddy. Go to the couch. Oh, that's not the couch. That's the floor. You know, you're going to rub the hair off the top of your head. Did you just see what he just did?
Yes, I did.
You just did something new. Do you realize what you did? He got up from the floor. Yep.
Well, he sort of.
Well, he kind of jumped. And did. Okay. What was that? And he's off. Come on. Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? Yeah. Okay. And he's off. Whoops, and he's down. Baby down, baby down.
Grandma's getting kicked.
Patty, he just did it and he walked.
And you have it on tape.
Yes, I do.
I see that. Oh, don't sit on him.
I see him.
Come on.
Go to Grandma.
Come on. Look at you. Yes? No, you can't have the camera. Go get Daddy. Go get Daddy. You gotta turn around and look at me. Get up. You did it. Come on, get up. He's like, oh, now I got 2 cameras on me.
A place where you can't hurt anybody.
Come on. No, get up. Oh. Chicken. Go get Daddy. Go get Daddy.
You're Wyatt.
No, you can't have my camera.
Why?
Go get Daddy.
Why?
Okay. Say hi. No, don't touch. Say hi, everybody. Say hi, everybody. He waves. Go get Daddy. Go get Daddy. Go get Daddy. If you turn around, you're going to fall. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.